If you want to disable the 10-second limit for always on display on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, here's what you can do. So unfortunately, if we go to personalization and AOD settings, and then go over here to display items, of course, we only have this option for 10 seconds after tapping, and we cannot really do anything about it in here. But what you can do instead is you can go to About Phone, and we can enable developer options by tapping on OS version multiple times. You might also need to enter the screen lock password in order to confirm, but then you will see a message that you are now a developer. So we're gonna go back to main page of settings, and you need to scroll all the way down in order to open additional settings. Then in here, scroll down to find developer options. Here we're gonna scroll pretty much all the way down and then a little bit up in order to find reset to default values, and we need to keep tapping multiple times in order to reveal turn on system optimization, which now we can turn off. Of course, this has a drawback. The system will be not really optimized and you might experience some glitches and bugs. So feel free to try it out, but in case something goes wrong, you can still go back to these options and turn it back on. But now with this option being disabled, if I show AOD, actually sorry, I have a custom AOD app that I'm using, but essentially this is how it works. While speaking of the custom AOD app, I can also mention it that instead of using the built-in AOD and that we have in personalization, you can actually download a third-party app that has AOD. So for example, in this case, we have Movies Edge, which I can recommend you to use. It has multiple different AOD styles that we can use. And also in settings, you might need to go to AOD over here to make sure that it is on, that some permissions are granted in here. And we have some other settings that you might want to visit just to, of course, make sure that it is working as you wish it to work. But I'm going to actually disable this one for now to show you the built-in AOD, that it actually lasts for more than 10 seconds. There we go. So now it's displayed, and of course you can count 10 seconds, and I'm pretty sure it will stay for longer. So this is what you can do. Now, ideally, you probably want to use a third-party app if you really care about having AOD for longer than 10 seconds, because this is just not really optimal for the phone, and you might experience issues, as I mentioned before. So you have to keep that in mind. But as you can see, AOD now works for a long time. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.